TIS can control audio using different types of amplifiers and audio players. The TIS 1 Zone's 4-output amplifier can be configured to stream audio from the internet, include a USB port for playing MP3 tracks, and support auxiliary input. Select your player from the software list and double-click it to open. Enter comments for your amplifier and assign it to the appropriate room. Under Zone Settings, you can configure the output of your amplifier by choosing Zone Type 4, which provides 4 mono outputs, channel 1 to channel 4, allowing you to adjust the volume in 4 different zones. Alternatively, you can configure it as Zone Type 3 channels, 1 stereo left-right and 2 mono, Zone Type 2 channels, 2 stereo zones, or Zone Type 1 channel for a single, powerful 160-watt stereo zone. Configure and save your settings. Another amplifier from TIS is the 4-Zone Amplifier, which can stream and play 4 different audio sources into 4 different zones. For this amplifier, you can link it to the bus network using the RS-232 port, connected to the IP COM port or the RS-232 module. To configure it, open the IP COM port or RS-232 module from the list by double-clicking on it. Go to RS-232 Configuration, select the 4-Zone Amplifier, and then press Save. To use this type of amplifier with a TIS bus wall keypad, select a panel with music page control functionality, such as Titania or Luna. Go to the Music tab. For the 1-Zone 4-output amplifier, under Music Zone Address Settings, enter the subnet and device ID. In the Audio Player section, select the correct model number, choose the zone where you want to control the volume output, and then press Save. For the 4-Zone amplifier, enter the subnet and device ID of the gateway linked to your amplifier. In the Audio Player section, select the model of the 4-Zone amplifier, choose the zone where you want to control the volume output, and then press Save. You can test your amplifier by pressing the Music menu on the keypad. Select your source such as USB, choose the album, track, and volume, then press Play. To control the audio player using commands from the keypad or other devices, double-click on the keypad, then go to the Key Settings or Light tab. Set the command type to Audio Player, select the room, and under Function, choose Source Control. Select the source type, USB, Wi-Fi, or Auxiliary 1. Under Play Control Functions, you can select Next or Previous Track, Play, or Stop. In Volume Control Functions, you can adjust the volume for each zone, Zone 1 to Zone 4. The volume can be increased, decreased, or set to a specific value from 0% to 100%.